So in this session we will study how to handle limit of a sum. So what will happen in this case? So we will be asking you to find out the limit of something, and that something will be written in the form of summation. Okay, means suppose that you will be having question which will look like this. So we will be asking you to find out limit of something, and this something will be written in the form of sum. Okay, on of the form of sum. So these things we will be handling in this session. So try to understand how will you respond. So first you have to write down the rth term. Okay, then you will be writing limit x tends to a summation. You will be writing the question in form of summation tr. R starts from something, anything to anything. Okay, number of terms, term 1, term 2, term 3, term, here term cannot be 0, so we will go with term 1. Okay, so you will be responding to these situations. Now how will you respond to this question? How will you convert this question into comfortable zone? So you have to memorize these replacements. So what you have to do, you have to replace summation sign with integration sign, and then you will be taking help of this lower limit and upper limit to write down the lower limit and upper limit for definite integration. And then the next transformation will be, you have to take r by n as x. Okay, so you will be taking r by n as x, and then you have to take 1 by n as dx. Now you can handle your questions like accordingly, and like this is very important topic. You can expect one question in advance. Okay, so let's jump on to the illustrations part.